And suddenly I made this. It's in the process. But I am so proud I did this. My tiny outhouse experiment. So this is from our timber that we was cut off because we needed to do that in order to get all the timber straight. So I use them here, and now I am going to use some pallets wood and do this. And this is all free. I collect them at the stores. This is trash wood, good to use. So now I'm going to fill in here, and this is the foundation. This is the box to sit on. Yep.